Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can set up a store on Cartel. So let's get right into it. Now, the first thing you need to do is you need to go to Cartel and make an account. Once you make an account, you will be met with an onboarding questionnaire, which will help you set up your store depending on the purpose of the store that you specify. You'll be able to create a dropshipping store, a store just to sell your own products, etc., etc. They'll just offer you help and they'll help you through the entire process. Now, in my case, I've made an account already and I'm at the dashboard. And once you're here, you have a couple of different steps you need to do. As you can see, you need to complete the onboarding survey. You can verify the email address, then create your product catalog and enable your checkout, as well as set your location and currency. Now, to set up your location and currency, you can go into your account, and to set up products, you need to go into products and add any products which you might want. As you can see, I have a couple of test products, which are perfectly fine. And then to set up your payment, you need to go into account. You can also set up location and currency. And once you're done with that, you can set up your payment options. Just click here, and depending on your region, you will have different payment options available to you. As you can see, in my case, it's showing me Stripe, but it is not available in my country, and I can use PayPal. Just click connect under the payment option that you want, and a pop-up window will open, which will prompt you to enter all your information and verify everything just to make sure that it is you. And once you verify everything, your payment channel will be open and you'll be able to use it to sell items on Cartel. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.